labeling drill bits, so I might be able to actually know what they are when I'm in a hurry to find one. Putting labels on them as such. And these are my spirometric drills. And there's my cans full of drills, Hewitt boxes, and just trying to get those things full for once. I'll probably not stay that way long if I ever do get them sorted out. Been working on it. Okay, we're going through drill bits and organizing them and categorizing them and putting in anti-corrosion paper where possible. Can't hurt. You've got the stuff, might as well use it. Bought a whole box full of stuff. Take the time to do this stuff. This works for me. Whether it's actually doing any good or not, I don't know, but I can't see what's doing any harm. Certainly. Recently, pretty much worth the effort. Easy to do, and get my silver and Demings here all squared away. That's one down. Okay, John again. I was going over these drills here a little bit and ran out of space, so I had to start over again. You know how it is. Anyway, in here is various things, long drills, quick change drills, and these are Grandpa's stash of real small drills. There. Tiny ones, like hardly ever use. And what I've been working on is trying to fill in these drill indexes. And I could have sworn I had another one of these metric by 0.5, but I sure can't find it. I finally got these filled in. This just like it says, 1 through 10 millimeter by 5 millimeters, 0.5 millimeters, half millimeters. And so that's now complete for the moment. This one is, I believe, is complete. Let me take a look and see. Yeah, this is the metric reamers and the taps, the drills to the pilot drills for the reamers. So that's all in one spot. You don't have to hunt. And we'll try and figure it out. This fractional drill here. What's we got here? Not complete. Okay, got a few to get out of there. These A to Z's are new, so they're probably complete. I got 2 of them. Because I guess I forgot I ordered one. I ordered another. But being I have a shop in 2 different rooms, that works out okay. Doesn't bother me to have them. You know, they're inexpensive. They're not the real good ones. But they're perfectly good drills, don't get me wrong. They're just not the expensive ones. And I've got the drills I've been filling in. I've bought. It's cheap. It's not cheaper, but it's cheaper in the long run to just go ahead and buy a 5 or 6 pack of drills and you replace them. Not that I'll ever need them, but I've done that on both the metric and the imperial, and so I've got, you know, bunches of them. And we've got aircraft drills, 6-inch aircraft drills. Yeah, sometimes come in handy. And nice set of over and under reamers. Which I don't use very often, so I've got them in wax, except for the one that I last used just a couple of days ago. But just dip them in wax, so they're no doubt that they're going to last. But they're over 1,000 over and 1,000 under. They don't have the regular size, but I've got another box full of reamers somewhere else, and we got this Hewitt box here. For a full imperial set, which is not even remotely full. Doing pretty good on the number drills, but everything else is leaving something to be desired. But I have 2 of those boxes, both neither of which are full. Yep. But it's kind of in the same state. Pretty close on the number drills, but the letters and the fractions are leave something to be desired. A couple of years ago. So anyhow, I got these 2 of the Hewitt boxes not complete. Boxes of you know, Home Depot style boxes of drills, you know, Ryobi kind of thing, you know, these sets, you know. So I've got, you know, these, you know, quick change ones, and you know, they really come in handy when you're just doing quick stuff with the drill. Well, not precision stuff, just drilling holes, you know, for whatever. The speed load ones, yeah, I like those a lot. Yeah, so I got several sets like that laying around, different various places, and then I got, for woodworking, I've got a fairly comprehensive set of Forstner bits. So maybe look at those someday. And of course, now I've got several sets of those too. So anyway, that's where it stands right now. What to do about it, that's another story. But lots of spare drills and never have the one you need.